Do you know what migration marvels actually means? Well, migration is a remarkable phenomenon observed in many animal species. Each year, millions of birds undertake extraordinary journeys, often spanning thousands of miles. These migrations are driven by factors such as seasonal changes, availability of food, and breeding requirements. Some migratory birds like the Arctic Tern hold impressive records, traveling from their breeding grounds in the Arctic to their wintering grounds in the Antarctica and back, covering around 44,000 miles. Migration showcase the incredible navigational abilities and endurance of these animals as they navigate across vast distances, relying on celestial cues, landmarks, and innate instinct.